Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. If you're looking to start a garden quickly, even late in the season, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to set up a productive garden in under a week using readily available materials and fast-growing plants. Let's get started. First, gather your materials. Here's what you'll need. Containers or raised beds. Use pots, buckets, or build simple raised beds. Quality potting mix. Ensure your soil is nutrient-rich and well-draining. Seeds and seedlings. Choose fast-growing plants. Basic tools, grab a trowel, watering can, and gloves. These items are easy to find at your local garden center or online. Next, choose plants that grow quickly. Here are some great options. Leafy greens, lettuce, spinach, and arugula can be ready to harvest in just a few weeks. Radishes, one of the fastest-growing vegetables, ready in about 25 days. Herbs, basil, cilantro, and dill grow quickly and can be used fresh in your cooking. Bush beans, they mature in about 50 days, providing a quick harvest. These plants are perfect for a quick setup garden. Now let's set up your garden. First, fill your containers or raised beds with a quality potting mix. Next, plant your seeds and seedlings. Make sure to follow the instructions on the seed packets for proper spacing and depth. Plant seedlings gently to avoid damaging the roots. Lastly, water thoroughly. Give your new garden a good watering to help the plants settle in, and remember to keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the first week. Here are some quick tips to ensure your garden thrives. Sunlight is crucial. Place your garden in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. When it comes to watering, keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Fertilize your plants with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks to give them a boost. And don't forget to monitor your plants for any signs of pests or disease and address issues promptly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!